All right. Oop, wrong button. There we go. Just camera there. It was a little crooked at a bit. Maybe I should put this here like so. Yeah. Oh, I need some music. It's I realized that I don't really need to care about all that much about what do you call it? Yeah, copyright and all that, as long as I had the copyright free music. I just let it play, and even if they caught me, well, as long as they don't copyright strike me, I should be fine. Not making any money out of this anyway. So yeah, we are good for a while on that. Hello. You know, the funniest thing is I finally managed to connect OBS with YouTube. Please no music. If you have, oh, a lot lower. Okay, yeah. Okay, that might be too low. I'll put it back up a little bit, so I can at least hear it myself. Yeah, that's enough. You can just barely hear it. Do I want to put myself down a little too? Yeah, hold on. I'm not too sure what you mean. What I'm doing. I'm doing a lot of it. I'm doing some not so great. Most of it is just just me figuring out though. Very scuff. All right, where was I? Yes, yesterday. Okay, I just if anyone paid attention yesterday, I had multiple print heads. Oh yeah, right. Oh yeah, that's something I can be proud of. All right, so anyway, back to this. So I made a copy of this, and I've been changing a bunch of stuff in the background. Most of the problem that I'm running into in right now is actually have to do with this thing. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, I can see that. This is supposed to be a round profile, but because it's actually printed on the bed like that, this is not round. It's like a triangle almost now, and that just pissed the hell out of me. I mean, it's supposed to work. It worked fine, but it's not great. It's not what it meant to be. So I was thinking this morning. I was trying to figure out how to do this. Yeah, you might go to turtle box first. Yeah, sound good. Wait, what was I doing? Right, so I've been spending all day trying to fix some these stuff. For example, this thing here. If I have anything else actually first, I'll get back to this thing in a sec. But if I hide everything else, now what you may notice now, the wedge is got no motion arm. Yeah. Oh my. Yeah. Look a little different. There's this cutout in the bottom here, the flat space. So instead of relying on a feature like a mouse ear feature built into the model, I just chop this wedge thinner, and this angle here start at 60 degrees, so it should print a lot better now. This is what I done this morning. So now I will need to export these three. I'm gonna export these three, print it, set it on to print, and then while it's doing that, we can go do other stuff, which I also note down here. Fix these up. Top, up at top. Yes. Yeah, the annoying thing with three guys doesn't grab the name. So one sec, I need to grab them, put them in the slicer really quick. Yeah, so okay. Alright, actually minimize, make that small. So for this other window, I'll show you what's going on in the slicer. The slicer pop in when we are going on the stream, and doing it. It's usable. Alright, so I put those three in there. What the hell happened to this face? Okay, yeah, I don't know. Okay, yeah, I got it. There's a circle bit on the top there, so that top could not be laid out flat. Okay, slice that. Put this here. I still don't know where to put the camera, honestly, on this stream. But that's that. So you can see now. There's a way to see it more clearly. No? Oh, no. Okay, it's fine. See now, these line at the bottom here doesn't show up as what it called. They don't show up as overhang anymore, and that is fully intentional. That was what designed for. And let's just set out the print. Let's see how that goes. Oop, I muted myself there. So what was I saying? Yes. Box turtle. The funny thing is, in the perfect world, you want to combine a filament changer, like a box turtle, with a tool changer actually. Because a filament changer like box turtle is the more efficient way to do to swap out a filament of the same material. But the only problem with it so far to seem to be asynchronous filament changing, which is annoying to wait for your filament to change, and everyone kind of know that is the best way. Is actually the what everyone wants is that while the tool head is printing on one tool, you want the filament to be changed out on another tool. But oh man, that is going to be an absolute horror show in the software wise. Not easy. We shall see if anyone got there first, including myself. But I'm not the best software person out there. So what were we waiting for? Oh yeah, waiting for the bed to heat up. I let that run, and honestly, I'm just stalling for time as I drink my tea. Okay. So where was I? Yes. So if I open this up now, for this assembly, anyways, so for right now, the thing that needs to be done is to create a connector piece for to connect this base here with whatever to stack on top. And the reason why I want to do that instead of what I was planning before is I had to print out the whole thing, the whole upper piece in one go. Is that allow me to avoid a lot of support in the system. And to that end, honestly, I need to figure out rethink my way around this print as well, this base component as well, because right now there are so many surfaces that require support. That's kind of annoying. So that's something to do in the future. I don't think I will need that much support as much as the software just telling me that I need to, because all of this, like for this line, for example, are made with that are made with the at an angle where it shouldn't need any support. So I don't know why the software said that it needed. But yeah, that is something on the book right now. But before that, because this system honestly is just an add-on on top of whatever was all the things that I'm going to build in the future. I think what I want to do today, first and foremost, actually finish what I want to do here, and here as well. So this is the back panel, trying to mount a place to mount the the umbilical and PTFE to put there as well. The swivel system here seems to be okay, but I need to figure out a place for. Actually, I need to show you guys that. Set. Where is it? What's the name again? No. There we go. Alright, I got to sign down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, D. One sec. Yeah, so was it the LDO USB board? USB splitter board is something I need to now figure out the mounting for. Oh wow, there's the there's multiple down here. Didn't know that. Where is it? I saw it yesterday. Really shouldn't have closed the tab. Ah, there it is. This here. The aerial USB hub. So I'm gonna open that. Oh, come on. Not bad. Wrong but oh, wrong. So this is what I need to make the room for now. So this is, yeah, apparently, yeah, so this is I think it's straightforward in explanation. So basically you just can, rather than trying to run like 4 USB cable and power up to the tool head from the basement, that you might want to I want to have this board. I want to design, at least design this board in somewhere at the, near the entrance of the near the hole at the back, so that we can plug them in there instead without needing to run all like 4 to 6 wire up. I'm making a lot more elegant internal wiring. Where though is still don't know. I don't know how thick the USB cable is on this thing. I haven't bought it yet, so I still be waiting. Activity alerts. Oh yeah, I'm just strolling around right now. Keep it in mind. Alright, several things I want to do here. First, I want to drop this down a little more just to give these guys more room. That's one thing to do. Second of all, before we do that, before we go here, let's have one look back here really quick. Because one of the things that is not so great right now is that assembly internal name. There's a face somewhere. Oh right, so one of these joint broken, I think. I don't know what it one, but one of these are broken, and I need to find it and I need to fix it. So let's do that quickly before I move or do anything else. So it's a face, right, that broke. So I reckon I'll just oh, it's for the very first one. Okay, just get rid of everything. Yeah, I just want to go. Oh my, what's that happen? Ah, that was that one. So somewhere down here. I forgot which one was that one. I wasn't paying attention. Why? Alright, so one of these are broken here. And now it's not broken anymore. Ooh. Why? Oh my god. I cannot support. It's a small bug, not that problematic, but at the same time, you don't. I didn't do anything. I just basically undo something. I just delete something and undo it, and then it's immediately pop back in. So shouldn't do that. Okay, that was a bug. Okay, so that's good. That simply is fixed. Retire that now. We'll get rid of them. Put the base back to the reference. Up. I take that back. Why are you broken again? Hello? I swear to God. One of you. Alright, one of these are broken. One of these is broken. That one? No. What is it broken? What is broken here? Phase 4. What's the first one? Still don't. The parallel 02. Okay. Oop. It's parallel 02. It said this guy is broken now. No, it's not. Okay. Let's go. Alright. Yeah, so first of all, that's not supposed to be there, so that is definitely broken. Yeah, all this junk is not broken, I reckon. But as long as I don't touch this, I should not need to do anything about it. I reckon just leave it. Yeah, let's go. Oh, better than nothing. Okay. That looks better. It's this to do top of my face really good. Okay. Yeah, the volume is a bit low right now, so let me just try to pull it up a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, never mind. There we go. Okay. Where was I? Yeah. Wedges. I don't know how these three have been printed. I reckon I'm gonna drop this for now. A little bit. Let's go back here. Do some TNC. So dock design. Yeah, dock design it belong in here. You wouldn't believe it, but what I'm gonna do now is create a small multiplier. It should be in dock design, right? Yeah. There's so many items here that I may or may not just forget what I meant to be doing in a not so distant future. Anything I need to here. Let me just put this together. So yeah, let's put it at these two. I'm committed to this mono cell system. So, do we need it? I got more room to work with. Maybe I better not do the fan actually. Maybe the fan was something that causing my mic to just making this weird glitching sound. What's this one? This one shall be the spacer. M3X50 spacer. Yeah. So spacer. That. Now this, I won't even bother put this into the. I won't put this into the what's it called? The assembly at all because it's so simple and so small and simple. But on that. Dimension 1, it should give it 6. No, this needs to be absolutely 3.4. Okay, close out really quick. I want to check, put the reference sketch on the size of the system. Of course, it's gonna take a minute to. I want to check up with. Yeah, that's fine. That one is fine. Radius. No, that is another radius. That is the. Currently showing me the. No, oh yeah, that is the radius. What I'm saying. That's nearly 3, right? So 5.9, I think. This one. Why is that 5.9? 5.9 times 2. That would put measure and the calculator, so one second. 5.9. Oh, this hole is 5.9. That's smaller than I thought. That's definitely not 6. 5.9. 5.9 it is. I need to check with the bolt really quick. This is actually was the last one. Yeah, because what is it? The hole on the A4T designed for the M350 bolt to go to a full size threaded insert, which is good and all, but for me, I need a low profile one, and that is slightly shorter than the other one, than the one that we have than the stock one. So we need to make a spacer so that it push the thread out a bit. 9.9 is fine. 9.9. Keep it up. System. Yeah. Okay, so I need to make this thing 3 mil deep. Okay. So that extrude 3 mil. Give it move. Yeah, I remember why I didn't want to touch this file anymore. Where do you go? Okay, that was fine. Okay. Get the hole out of that hole. Oh, I need to modify the LEDs holder to carry the magnets too. Darn. Three. Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. Alright. So stupid. Yep, that's something about what this is. Spacer. Oh yeah, counter sum in 3x50. Compatibility and just check it into the doc final. Because it's not like before designing it, I know that those are the finals. So I'm going to find this. Just need to put out the tires and I'll just pop it out. Like that. To the where we do it. It took it. It's good, it's loaded. But these it's too late for that now. Yeah, I can. Leave that for another day. Finishing touches sound like a pain. Okay, I don't need to make there, so I'm just going to mark that out on my little notepad up here. Now let's deal with this. So, to look at this really quick again, let's bring back the yeah, this one was the original. So, the depth of this green piece is match that of the panel plus this foam. Okay. So I think I need to build in some ribs here and try to have mounting points so that I can mount the electronic board right behind it. Alternatively, I can mount it at the front. Yeah, alternatively, I can mount this the electronic wiring at the front and have the USB cable and the power cable run through run within the chamber. That one would be more elegant in terms of the outside look, but obviously now you see the cable just running in the view of camera all the time. Be better. Running a cable within the chamber or running a cable outside. What is the audio kit really quick? Trident. Oh my god. Come on. It doesn't show anything. Notice that. Oh yeah, no, it is. It's using the same cable loop that I originally used to run this cable. So running something up on the so running the cable up the right side here. And the USB, use the USB wiring internally. It wouldn't look that out of place, wouldn't it? I mean, too out of place, no? It will be out of place still, no matter what. USB. Oh. Why is it so hard to fetch that USB now? Ah, there it is. Yeah, this is what I want to. The annoying thing here is that if I want to use this, I need to get it first before I actually work with it. It is on the book, it's for next week, but not today. That's what I'm thinking. Also, so what is, yeah, so look at, see how that's gonna fit in here now. Maybe, yes, I create some ribs here to mount a control. No, so like a skeleton right at the back here where I can mount that board into there. That might be the way to go. I'm just moving around a little bit here. Yeah, there we go. They look a lot better. Yep, so okay. You can see. Yeah, maybe let's try that. That seems to be the easiest way to go about it. Like, because the question I was trying to ask myself is whether I want to mount that board, that USB hub internally around this area here, or externally, basically behind that that back panel, so around in this cover still, but around that area there. Internally, it means that we'll mount it on the extrusion itself, and as in the board, that little board there, it will be mounted on the extrusion itself by a little bracket. But the trouble around that is wiring. because you can see here there's wire coming out of both direction, in both directions, so coming from the top and coming from the bottom, and that's it. So you know for a fact that this auxiliary USB port here is going to be a pain in the ass to dodge the wire off around. That's just the nature of the beast, really. So I reckon I'll mount it to the outside, yeah. And to do that, let's make some change with this now. First I need to have this up. I want to bring this down a little more, give this one a little more space so that this port here can be pushed downward a little bit more. But I don't want to go too far because I don't really want to mess with any of this anymore. I don't want to break it. Padding, cancel, wrong padding. Yeah, that's the padding. Another millimeter there. It took a millimeter off the bottom. Yep, so this basically the whole gap just got moved down one little bit. But this, just pull it down. Yeah, like that. Yeah, and you can see that it already automatically pulled this hole down a little more. But just to make sure, let's check. Let's check really quick now. That was defined. Alright, defined by the height. That's good. I mean, it all got in place. Yeah, that one is locked in place, and this whole thing just got pulled forward, so that now go down a little bit. That's good to know. The further these two apart, the when you saw it's gonna get. Save that first. Pretty straightforward. Alright, so this mount is fine now. But what I'm gonna do is gonna do the same thing I did with the ACTM, and that is because this already got reference all over the place. I cannot edit that. I'm gonna break stuff. So I'm gonna put that as a reference. Make that a reference, and I will create a new panel with this part with a clone of it. Where can I put the ribs? And I look at this side here and compare with the middle there. Where could where could I mount the tube? How big is this? This thing is 5 mil thick. Oh, we got plenty of space for threaded insert here. That's good to know. Put the back panel back on really quick, because I also have a determining factor here. Okay, that makes it a little harder. Yeah, just toggle temporary off on this one really quick and give it another color because it looks so pain in the butt. Reset, close. Yeah. So I want to screw something to that there and hang off the wiring system right beneath it. Okay. So. Oh no! Maybe I do it on the sides actually. Yeah, no, do the side. Because the reason why I was hesitating just now is because there will be a PTFE tube looping from here, looping from here inward toward that panel there. And if there's something right there in the middle, it may get caught on the PTFE tube and cause trouble. Right, so but if I make a giant U-clip here, U-panel here, like so, and mount it, or put a hole there, and screw the mount for the USB hub down there. No, and hang the USB hub somewhere around there. It should be fine. And a little bit of that for the. Is there like a place I can just grab right now? No, I cannot. Okay, it's floating in midair. So we cannot use the original origins of the body here with this one. Ooh, this is definitely the wrong angle with the lighting and all. It's okay though, I suppose. Make this too symmetrical about that line. Okay, that line. Oh, it should be the construction line. Horizontal. Vertical. In that dimension, should be equivalent, and give it a number. What number should I put on? That should be a top. That one. The standard one is 5x4, so 4.5 in width and at least 5 in depth. 4.6 actually, yeah, 4.6, 4.5 is what I've been using, but maybe stick with 4.6 to make it a little wider for those who have an over-extruded nozzle. Okay. Oh, that line needs to be a construction line. down 5 point something, so rather than 5, I bet 5.4? Yeah, 5.4. 5.4 is good. And for the threaded insert, once again, I may just want to make that. Do I want to make that 5.4? Maybe just. Oh my god, I'm comfortable. I'm more comfortable threaded because this is not going to be that low bearing. So maybe going too far out is not exactly the wise this move either. So I reckon just 7. And maybe do that instead. Oh, 7, maybe 6. No, 7, 6. Is that how thin now between that and the shaft? That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. We've got 5 mil though, so we can find 2, right? Yeah, let me get 5 mil actually. Yeah, they give it 5 mil. Give it 5 mil on the other panel, I think that would be good. Save me some. Oh, the sound of my phone going off is hopefully not going to be a theme of this stream. That is the back panel, the new body with that panel as a reference. Verify that reference. Okay, I'm going to call it the USB hub now. Oh. Alright, do they give us a model or something like that for more information here? They usually do. This is the deal we're talking about, so they surely, right? Oh, there we go. See, I knew they're gonna give us some diagram. The cat outline. Alright, so it's kind of hard to read this, so let me just print this out. No, let's just print it out. Print out the page and just blow it up via PDF. Wait, why you open here? Okay, no, actually that's a good idea. Alright, so this one, so the that one, there we go. Oh my god, yes, so now you see, but now I can zoom in really closely, grab my numbers. Huh. Oh yeah, and also one of the things I definitely need to do is to make a cover for this. Because in that same box at the back, there will be PTFD tube just sloshing around. So this thing will definitely need a cover, right? But anyway, so we can look at that. I'll go back and forth between the sketch and that. I can't just look at this and tell. Let me throw that number though, 350. So let me just do some interpretation first. So I just need to know the distance between these three holes here. Yeah, the center of these three holes here. So 135 minus 6. So basically 135 minus that time 2. So 1, 2, and 9. Oh, first light. Yay! Hi Dugan, how you doing? How's your day? 34 minus 6. 34 minus 6 is 8. 28. So the distance between these both here. These yep, so this is the bit between these hole here afternoon. Yep, it's a fine afternoon here in the UK. Not too hot, not too cold. It's still hot, but it's not that bad. Alright, what am I doing again? Oh, right, yeah. So 1, 2, 9, 28. Just double check on thinking here. 34 minus 6 is 8, 28. 25 minus 6 is 29. Yep, so 1, 2, 9, and 28. Okay, so I'm gonna put a panel here. Oh, cancel. Why are you popping up? Right, there's that. Yep. Yeah, because I was selecting the part on top instead of the binder here. So let's get rid of that. Draw this. Grab the two holes. Oh, I want the bottom bit too. I want the panel to clear that space. And just draw a rough shape now. Don't we need to be too specific yet. In fact, we don't want it to commit to anything. But I do know that I definitely want these to be equivalent. Control me mad otherwise. Oh, and it need to be below that surface because that's where it's gonna hit the back up. Oh, back control. The orientation is a little whack with this one, but I guess it should be fine. So that one and that, oh, not that, and that should be symmetrical. Yeah. Wait, why you give me this weird? Oh, because I spinned it and thing. Okay, never mind. It's fine, it's fine. So if I say this thing should align with that, I should find, yes, it's fine. Yeah, I don't need to be too worried about this as well, because the hole here gonna have tolerance. So I don't need to be too worried about this. Just, I don't need to add a specific dimension here. I don't need to. Right? It's annoying, don't let's not. Give it 0.2. Give it 0.2. Give it 0.2. Free. Yeah, that's really good. Okay, yeah, make sure to draw the hole here. Very important. Oh, these two don't equal, and they are dimension-wise 3.4. Yeah, not so much. And I took it back when I said that one should pass that line. It shouldn't. It should. Touching that face there. Alright, let's draw the rough outline of the board here. At the mounting point. That is upside down. 129. 129. Ooh, that board is a lot. That USB hub is a lot bigger than I originally thought. Okay. 28. Wait, that on my back panel is a lot smaller than this. Am I crazy? Hello? Okay, check the let's go back to the website really quick. Yeah, I go to the website again. Fill off how big this is. Maybe not. Okay, maybe I'm just crazy. Maybe it is that long and skinny. Yeah, because I took that boat gonna. I was thinking that there's like a, you know, there's like a little bit in the middle, and the PDF YouTube can just avoid it by just staying on the outside rim by touching the wall, but that's clearly not gonna happen. Well, let me just put that back panel on. Okay, and the back panel show it really well how proportionally big that board is. But the good news is I can actually access the whole board from the outside port here, so that's good at least. Alright, get rid of that. Make these two symmetrical here. So I reckon that this height is about right as well. Should lock that in. The 878. And actually, let's move this down here. Okay. Right. This is me being pedantic, but oh my god, don't snap in the center point. Okay. Okay, that and that should be vertical. Oh, no, horizontal, because this orientation is not what it is. Be horizontal, just to equal to each other. Yeah, so that lock in that one. So all right, what I'm doing? Yes, I need to draw the hole, cut out the hole for the mount. Make those three equivalent to each other. Add 2.9. So that way the M3 can thread in there. Once again, I'm happy to not use a threaded insert here. I don't foresee mounting this thing in and out too many times. Nor do I predicting the board to be very heavy. So we can get away with just bolt directly into plastic there. But what I do want to do now is to add, actually let's use a centered one here. Yeah, symmetry like so. So set that as an symmetry. Just to remove some material off this this little panel bit here. Dimension. Give it 120. 120. It's just maybe. Alright, close that. Let's extrude and see how that goes first. Extrude it for 5 mil. Yeah, looking good. Put that on. The back panel back up as well. So how are we mounting the shell for this? Oh wait, first. So because we did this, we need a hole at the bottom for the cable to pass through for one. And okay, let's lock that in and save it. Don't forget to do that. Does I need to cover? Do I need to cover it? I'm so lazy. I feel too lazy to do that, but at the same time, it sounds like it's quite too important for me to not to, right? So look at this. Oh, okay, they USB controller and what is it? Power switch. Transition system. No, this is a MOSFET here. MOSFET. Resistor, MOSFET. Alright, I do need to make a cover for this. Like even a small one would do. Yeah, so we just go down on that, right? What's this? USB hub. Yeah. Well, you know the funny thing is I got a bag of standoff with me, so I reckon I just I just need to make sure I can just grab what the height that is. Just no, I just made a flat panel that I can print out, and then I use the standoff to stand it away from this. Okay. With that in mind, I can keep the same hole pattern. One, let's get the wall. But that's another object. Wow. Top cover, USB. Oops. So I will import that one now as the reference. By the way, grab that. Don't need to be worried too much about the height here because I just so that I just somehow visualizing. Let's give it 5 mil into Z. Okay, 5 mil is too little. Oh. I'm sure I have note something right there, right? PCBs take 1.6. Okay. How tall is this point? That's my question, but put it there so I can see stuff. Make it 10, make it 10. We can always go down. Just go back up. It's go up, that is annoying. Once again, this doesn't match. I just need some spatial awareness of where roughly where this cover need to be. Okay, I need to grab that hole, that hole, that hole, and that hole. Okay, so first and foremost, let's draw that box really quick. I don't need this. I don't need that. Not that. Is I can grab this construction line. Yep, like so. And according to this diagram here, this gap is 6.2, so that means so the distance between that center and that edge there is 6.2 minus 3, so 3.2. Right, so let me grab this really quick. Here 3.2. Okay, nice, good. All right, so I need to add up all this number here. Now I just give up on doing it in my head. I'm gonna whip out the calculator now. 18.9 plus 18.9. Let's say the pattern here. 18.9, 18.9, 18.9, 18.9. Okay, 18.9 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 13.1. 18.9 times 5 plus 13.1. What's that last one? Why is it different? Oh no, because I didn't count the gap between the port. That's why it's different. 107.6, 107.6, 107.6. Okay, and the height, however, is not shown. Okay. How we deal with that? I am guessing I think there was a car running outside, right? That do I have a USB port thingy around here? I think I do. I got to back up them at some point, but I don't know where they are now. Okay. So, on the look of this diagram, you can tell that the USB port, the depth of it is definitely more than the depth of this plug here. So if I make enough room for that, I should be able to make enough room for that. Wait, do I need to do that? The only thing I need to make room for is this the big boy, right? Yeah, this is the only. Oh yeah, okay. I take it back. I don't need to do all what I'm doing right now. Because all this can go under the cover, and that thing is the only thing that pops out of it. Alright, I was over complicating things then. So that is basically the cover. And it need to have an equal distance away from this edge here. I put a point here. Construction point. Yeah, like that, and that, symmetrical across that point. Symmetrical, way up, so that. Hey there, how you doing today? I'm doing alright. It's a lovely day here in the UK. And how are you? Wherever you are in the world. Because it's a free. So that basically cover up the entire board. And I just need to make a little cutout right there for the power terminal. So where is the bad power terminal? Okay, it's 81 millimeter. You don't see it. It's 81 millimeter, 81.4 millimeter from that edge there.
and 24 millimeter by here. I reckon I just cut halfway at the across and call it a day. More than halfway. Maybe a third of the board. Yeah, just chop about a third of the height of this off that way, and that should be good. Put 2 point there. Two more. Go up. What's the number to London? 24.9 to 25 then. 25. These are horizontal, and the reason that because I'm rotating this on the side right now. 81.4. Dimension 81.4. So around there is halfway, so should be around there, I suppose. Yeah, just leave it at that. This is a very easy piece to manipulate later on, so I'm not too worried about anything about it being wrong. I can always make a new one within like a half an hour or so. Light. Sorry, yep. Oh, I need to drill out the hole as well for the screw. This one. Cool. 3.4. There we are. Extrude that. Give it 2 mil. I don't. It's literally just a cover piece. I don't need to be at thick at all. But then again, no. So basically, the top and bottom is 2 mil. It's 1 mil each, right? So you want one, just a bit thicker than that. To give it a layer or two of infill, maybe 2.6. Yeah, 2.6 mil. That separate the top and bottom solid layer so that they don't, so the the over extrude on the bottom does not just make it all the way up. First I'll say okay, yeah, do that first, and then we flip this with 2 millimeter. I'm pretty sure that LDO1 had a number as well. Does it not? It does not. Okay, I assume the radius of this is 3. So make it 3. Yeah, so that now this wall is consistent through all, so that you won't have this weird motion where the printer just swerves just a little bit to fill up that bit there. Looking good, looking good. Ow. Oh. Oh, now that I thought of it, I should have chamfered and all. This is such a small panel. I should have do all the chamfering and Philip clean it up before I move on with this piece. Will that work now though? Yeah, it might work. It might break the USB hub cover like that. Yep, now you go there and fix it. The chamfering tool is still scuffed on this guy. To be fair, it's a lot. Oh no. No, it's a lot. It is not. It doesn't break that bad. It didn't break that bad, so all's good. Nice. Try that. Put that back in. Put another color so that I can see it. But what with the specific document and the color pink? I don't mind it. And green, pink and green. Those are two colors that's constantly getting selected right now. Yeah. It's not so random, isn't it? It's just something bluish hue would be nice. Hello? Okay, that doesn't give me blue. Blue, okay. That's one green, yeah, okay, that's a little better. That's better than nothing. You say like that. So, that is where the USB hub gonna be. Hopefully hopefully I give it enough slack. Oh right, I might need to get, I did think about this. One sec. The first one go in the there. Okay, never mind. I was worrying about it may not have enough slack to bend around and potentially got snapped. The wire get fatigued and break or something. But I think we do have enough slack for that. And just in case, I don't think it's going to be a problem, so I won't fix this now. But in case these two hold, mounting this green piece with this gray piece together does not work, I can add an extra bit, like a bump over there and there to just add more place for hook screw to go through. But once again, I think this works fine. I think this will work, so I'm not gonna touch that just yet. So alright, that's not that. Go back with this guy in here. Because the one thing that's still missing here is the back cover. I haven't bothered doing that. So that need to change today. Actually, I did. What side did I make those? Oh, and also this is green, which is matched with that. We're running out of color. No color? Dude, that one is exactly the same. Okay, that is which one you got so far. I'll keep that. Oh, one of the things that I need to do now is immediately before we even make that, right, we need to punch a hole on the bottom for the wire to pass down. How big is the hole gonna be? Not that space. Not that space. Not that space. Alright. Does the origin have anything we can use? Nope. Okay. We will grab that base then. How are we going about this? We're going about this. Let's see. Do we want to undo any of this? No, because I'm looking at these Phillips and chamfer here. A little sketch to put in the middle of a feature tree. They'll tend to break. That's why if we may want to remove that, add the feature, then add them back in. But that sounds like an absolute hazard. So I may just not do that and hope for the best. Yeah, not doing that now. Okay, oh my god, what did you just do? Okay, what's this point? Oh, it's good. So this one now need to determine the size of this hole. The what is it? The what's it called? The LDO SB 2 head Nighthawk, yeah, the Nighthawk SB Nighthawk 2 head use 6mm wire umbilical. So I'm assuming the one that the USB hub gonna use is roughly the same. So I'm just gonna say this. Oh, so I'm gonna give this a dimension. I'm gonna use diameter. Oh, come on, the M to be just 7. Give it some room. Give some room because we also what else do we need to plug in, right? I think one of that wire should carry all the power and a USB carry power. Oh no. I'll go back to documentation here. There we go. Right. Okay, no, never mind. So we're not using the cable coming up with the kit, right? Wait, what is in the box with this guy? System feature, convenient wiring, plug and play. I want to know if they gonna include the cable with this or not. Standard USB cable upstream, rapid up to 6 to head. Yeah, that's easy to understand. Thank you. 30 amp rated current. That sounds cool. System overview. Port to have compatibility. The Voron to have plug and play. No requirement of repinning. I will have to repin it because I'm using a not that 2 head. Oh wait, they give on the mount here. Oh, too bad, I'm already back mount. Oh, I want to check that actually, but oh, there we go. Design your mount. Here we go. Here. Up to time current. If you wish to use your own cable, just require. Yeah, that's for sure. Improving size, 30 amps. So yeah, so you really should have give us. I mean, you give us the rating here, but I would like to know the size. Oh well. The wires is not. Alright, what's I saying? I don't think they give us any. They will give us any cable out of the box. So I have to come up with my own cable. Key feature. Yeah. So for that first we need a USB cable. It's around 4 mil thick, I think. One of those. 4 mil thick plus 2 wire for the 24 volt line. So I reckon I put it at 6 mil for now. And I want it to be punched around there. Doesn't really matter too much what height it is right yet. But so let me just give it a 5 here. That look goofy, isn't it? Let me get 8, 7, yeah. No, I make it 8 mil hole. Yeah, let's do that. Just punch it through. Don't need to be too clever. We got 19 space to work with. Oh, the print is done. Let's see if I can do this. Gently. Oh. Sort of. Alright, I'm gonna leave the printer to cool down a bit. I want those panels to come out absolutely what's it? Flat. So 4.6. You want to check this. Wait, this thing gonna reprint that way up. Oh crap. Okay, take that back. Oh, nope, no. I take that back. That should not be a circle, because we're gonna print from this bottom up. We need to make this a hexagon. No, not hexagon. We need to have some feature here. Oh no. Not with that. Hello. Just draw some stuff here. Yeah. Dimension 60. That. Hopefully nothing broke. Yep, like that. I don't know what to make it turn orange a second ago there, but hey, it worked now. So partial. What is not being constrained correctly? Hello. Absolutely don't do. Oh, there we go. I need you to go inside. So get rid of that as well. No. Come on. This is what happened with two people. What is that? Not 24. No. Okay, yeah. Horizontal. No, just make it tension. Oh, god damn it. One of these is now. Yeah, get rid of that. Can I do that again? That's fine. YouTube tension. Yeah, alright. I just need the right combination of steps to get the software to sort itself out. Oop, no slack on. Save it. And because how big this back panel is, this back panel make everything else look small. I'm not sure that's a good thing. Who's sao sheet? Let's just, oh yeah, rather than wait until then, let's just see. What exactly was I doing? Blasphemy can be a little paranoid sometimes, so let's check here. Alright, so this is where, and I can just 180. Yeah, like that. Would that break anything else? If it not, then it's good. Perfect. Make it 170. In case someone want to print this on a mini. Let's see what is good. If nothing else, that would allow me. Ooh. I think this is the original one. This time 130. Yeah, 170 is good. I need to widen this hole though. So I'm gonna develop. Fat 20. 25. Still too big. 15. There we go. I want to access the cover the USB hub without any tomfoolery and trying to removing the back cover. That's what the purpose of that drawing is. Obviously, there's some problem there because now this thing flip over. Fix it and calculate it correctly. Alright, okay. Yeah, so I can see if I turn it around, I can access all of these bolts without twist and turn the thing. Okay, looking good. In fact, that looked really good because now I reduced the angle of attack on this face, so it's more likely to work now. And of course, maybe I did the same thing down here as well. I want to know now what's the angle between these two. How would I do that? Not 10 this. Yeah, I don't trust the software to give me the right angle here, so I'm just going to calculate it with my calculator. Okay, so on 10, so inverse 10 of 19.115 over 8. That doesn't work either. Okay, so reset. Just select that and select that. Yeah, that was okay. Oh, that doesn't look. That look a lot less promising. 40. Yeah, that's nearly 45 degrees, isn't it? That's not gonna do too well on a conservative printer. Reset. No. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. So let's reduce this. Let's reduce this yeah. To 15 as well. 15. Yeah. Yeah, so this is now. There. So put the real back up. Come on. 24, 12. So 1 over 2. Pretty much. Yeah. So that angle actually is the overhang angle. So 24, 12 is 63. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so good. Smaller, better made. That's perfect. Alright, that's enough attention to detail there. Now let us go and make the cover, back cover now. New body, put that in there. Wait, what's that? Okay, put the back panel away. That's not what I'm looking for, isn't it? No, that's the back cover. It's called an access hatch. Get the wording right in it. Also, the world is so loud today. So much car running outside. It's actually coming through on the mic too, so it is funny. Alright, so rename this. Scratchy. Wish I could close the window, but unfortunately that's gonna make my room turn my room into an oven, so I can't. Oh wow. Center square, no triangle, I mean. Right side. Yeah, like that. This one. Okay, I knew that I kind of want to just draw it this time around, so just grab the fillet here. Oop, yeah, I'll fix that in a bit. Okay, so make these sort of equal to each other. What was the original size? Did I mention it? 3.5, what the heck? Okay. I'm thinking maybe I don't want to use I don't want to make these point collide. Oh, I can make this point collide with this. That surface there. Right. Now go. We get this right on right. Nope. That's not how it works for some reason. That's interesting. Yeah, get rid of that. These two are equivalent, and these two are equivalent but separately. So we can get this point here. To coincide with that, we can set up that corner, right? Oh. Oh, that's... Oh, that curve. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna give that a dimension there. 0.3. That one? No. Yeah. Yeah, same problem, but this down here is a lot less dramatic. So 3.5. Leave it like that. Okay, and now we need to draw these holes. There. I'm giving a dimension of 3.4. Oh, I swear to God, my posture is gonna kill me one day. One of these days, I'll get myself a nice house, and then I'll put in a standing desk. That's the dream. How thick was the pan? It's already gone. Okay. Okay, I'll just give it 3 mil and hope for the best. Oh, that's it. Yeah, give it 3 mil and just hope for the best. Don't know. Okay. Hello. You guys can hear the police car running on the outside, right? I think that's an ambulance, not a police car. So, okay. Oh, the print is done. I'm just waiting for the chamber to cool down so that I don't burn my hand and touching it. Oh yeah, actually, speaking of which, it's actually cooled down quite a bit, so I think I can go in there. Let's go. I just push out a little bit more there.
Alright, so change. So with the new attack angle, this does still look like a trapezium rather than an actual circle, but it's less dramatic than before, so I'm happy with that, I guess. Yeah, there's still a little bit of the you can see there. Oh, it's so blurry on the screen, so you can see it. But yeah, there's a line there that's just falling off, but it's not too dramatic, so I'm just ignoring it for now. And oh god damn it, I used the wrong hole. Side didn't work. Couldn't come through. Got it. All right. Need to get back on the drawing board on that one and put this. Ah. Oh, this is tight. Not too sure how I feel about this. Maybe I should give it a little bit more room. Yeah, just a bit more room. Yeah. But yeah, this is supposed to go into that hole there. But I think when I was fixing this, I kind of resized it and it to a wrong number. So this is at least 2 mils smaller than it should be right now. Fortunately. Oof. What's that? Did you get back to the computer?
How's the printing coming along? Wow, you like to type me an essay. Wait a sec, let me read. How's the printing coming along? Yes, you don't want to overheat. Listen, if you disagree with my idea, then I'll find out the idea. A 3D printed fiber gallon isn't typically a single solid print due to the size limitation of most 3D printers. Instead, it usually made up printed component like a base and a lid. Yeah, which can be attached to commercially available 5-gallon bucket or used to create a custom bucket-like structure. Yeah, for example, self-watering base. Yeah. What is there to be disagree on? That's how 3D printing is supposed to work, I would say. Before I make a mistake. Get a little base, get a little servo mount. Where's the trapdoor? Yeah, trapdoor. Oh no, let's get rid of those. Yeah, there we go. You see that? I totally missed the mark that. Now, top output. Yeah, this is the one that need to be fixing there. that one. Alright, I think we get it. Oh yeah, there we go. This should not be like that. It should be 7 mil. Straight up 7 mil. Okay, do we reprint this? Alright, that's a small change on this one part. So yes, definitely. And if we just break something, and we did not, just a little funky. We'll trapdoor back in. I worry about this little gap here, but I don't think it's something we have to wait until the things start moving that we can actually tell whether that's a bad thing or not, unfortunately. So in the future there might be a time where I have to redo everything, huh? Oh no, 0.6 is where that is. Somewhere 1.8. 0.8. Give it 2. That's so much bigger. That's so much bigger than I wanted to. Okay, what's that? Good news is the hole for the M3, because of the drooping of the material, you can see it. I can see that there is you know, those weird notches where the screw can bite into. No, so I'll keep this 115. Well, I'm not convinced on this point being 0.2, so give it 1.5 as well for now. Yeah, we can. This is so small. We can do this twice. Yeah, just increase slightly. Oh. I was only asking if you are wanting to print the mini 5-gallon bucket. I was only asking, not mini 5-gallon bucket. No. Yeah, no, I agree with your original idea on top. Actually, I don't want to print that out. It's more of a just buy them a 5-gallon bucket and then print out whatever attachment to modify it to what size you want later. I think that was the better idea. So what you said on top is actually the better idea. printing 3D printing has their limitation basically when it comes to size. Dude, you don't have to delete your messages. Look very sketchy when you do that. Yeah, I mean, you're literally only one of only 5 people. Oh wait, there's 5 people in the chat, and only 2 of you had liked the video. All right, 2 and 3 now. So you know, remember to like and subscribe, guys. Save me some time. Wait, what was I after again? Oh right, I need to print out the new top and the new the flappy do not seem to be up to what I want now, so I need to reprint the top and the moment arm here. Motion arm. So export that. Motion arm. Up the top. Okay. Okay. On to where's my slicer? There it is. Just over there. Oh, need to make this small. Top shell, so like that. Fine. Set. Check it in. Okay, there we go. Okay, let it rip. Keep looking at the documentation. Okay, that's that. Alright, back to this panel. Okay, so now we have the flat bottom here. I might want to print this out just to see how thick it is. I want to feel it in my hand before I make my judgment call on that one. Regardless. Okay, so this one here. Let's draw that. Let's draw that. Like that now. Put it back in. Cut away so I can see the ledge that I'm working with. This ledge here. Okay. So I'm just gonna. Everything is now. I need that line there. That looks a little sketchy, so I'm practicing on that point instead. So, and I need. Okay, I need this surface as well. Okay. So, don't do just having the center point, please. Yeah, FreeCAD is very trigger happy with the putting a point in the midpoint of any line. I hope they will change that eventually. Sure, they already noticed it, right? They gotta be. This dimension of this. Should be 60. This almost doesn't matter at all. I reckon we do a bit of aesthetically pleasing. Yes. And yeah, people are running around with motorcycle today a lot. Trying to enjoy the wind in their hair. Or lack thereof. Lack thereof. Yeah, I mean. I was gonna throw the jokes out there, but then I totally blew it. Nice. Yeah, give it a go. Give it a study. Make it 2. Yeah. And this one is 4. Where's 4 as well? That was true, but symmetrically and to you can hear the machine run and go zoom zoom. Why do I feel like it's not centered? It should be centered, but I don't feel like it's not. Screw it. I'm not. I'm probably just imagining it. Yeah, let's go do that. Is that still on here? Give it a little shampoo to make it stronger. Oh yeah, I saw this video the other day. Apparently all these chamfered and Philip function cost gonna increase as if you increase the cost of the object if you're gonna make it out of CNC machine. Milling, I mean. CNC milling. That makes sense because now you just create a heaps of tool path for the thing to go instead of just go straight down and go. That's it. That's the back panel. Do we put a label on this? Nah, I like it blank. Okay, I said that, but I do want to put something here, but I don't. I just lazy. Yeah, we will chamfer on the chamfer on this though. 0.6 chamfer, so oh no, 0.4. 0.4 chamfer. Maybe 0.6 actually. It looks so small. 0.4. 0.6. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this one should stay the way it is until I got my machine and test them out. Okay. I want to get that one the panel itself. I want transparency yet because I don't like to look up the oh, we're still missing the piece in the middle, but then I hope I can just reuse one of these and just put one here for fifth, and hopefully there won't be six, but no, there could be six if you're on the 360, huh? 350, huh? Yeah, I think you can just reuse these two or there as well. With that said, you need to use the bathroom. Be right back. Right, I'm back. The first layer is a little bit high on that print right now, but I think we can get away with it. A prototype anyway, so all of this gonna get thrown out regardless. Anything else I need to do here before I move on? Don't think so. So let's move on. Oh. Save that. Close the right one. Close the file. Now go back to this one. Okay, so I'm gonna change the panel. So now I need to make a separate connector piece between the base and the carbon basket. So this is the base. Oh, that's what you're looking at right now. I know the base is the teal version. Teal, just still light green. I may want to just make the I want to change my mind on that because connect the piece itself is easy. The key reason why I'm hesitating right now is making looks like okay. So okay, well said. Okay, yeah, sorry, my mind was in shambles. Well said. It's support. I want to figure out the support on this before I move on. And for the support of these pillar here, honestly, we'll just have to print it out and see how that goes. It's gonna be a long print. But for these here, I know for a fact these gonna cause trouble with support. So I may just as well just make a built-in support for this blob in the middle here first, and maybe not make up support for this, and then print off and then try print the rest of them out without support. So base main body. So we're gonna call that base. And, oh. Right, so that's gonna be a part of that object. Space support. I don't want to write the whole thing out. It's kind of like a hassle. But now I'm in. So. Oh, actually, while we're in it, let's just shampoo a bunch of stuff. Yeah, I can put a shampoo on a lot of things here while we're at it. Oh, there's something wrong with that one. Oh, there's a little dot there. Yes, I can shampoo that edge at least. Don't think I should, regardless, but you know. B3, so that's the wide view. Okay, now I'll preview that. Does that work? Ah, you can see the neighbor screaming outside. You can hear with that shampoo. Yeah, but no, this one's shampooing is sketchy, so we're not going to shampoo that one. But the one on top. How about that one? Oh, wow, that one create some huge problem there. Okay, I reckon that's it. Okay, so it's gonna be one less to go back. Maybe normal view. And that's good enough, I would say. But it's such a small feature, I don't think I need to worry too much. I mean, one of the way that I can avoid making any support for this piece is to just cut it out as its own thing and slot it back in in assembly. But oh, where's that gone? But then there's still this ledge here which we still need built-in support, so we need to build support anyway, so might as well just make built-in support for this one and that one. So anyway, like that, we're doing the support now. And I assume it's gonna be not easy here, hopefully. Oh boy, don't get sick. Surface there. Okay. Please put away and end the plane. I just need to translate it. Pretty straightforward. Don't need to center one. Actually, I do need a center one. Oh no, not a centered one. Oh. That's annoying. Okay. Normal. It's a normal. It's a normal. There we go. That should be parallel. There we go. And that center should be symmetrical in the middle of these two. So one side these. Move it to the edge. A millimeter away? Yeah, I put it a millimeter away. Okay. Extrude that for only 0.4 reverse, but only for 0.4. So basically this is a single wall object right there on that side, and then I need to, and then I make another wall over here, then I bridge it. Right. Now let's try another thing here. Up to face. So yeah. And now we're behind the binder. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a shortcut here by using the skin function. There we go. The skin should only be 0.4. Oh, I just realized the precut window is not scaled correctly. I wonder why. Alright, it's 2 pixels off. It's 1 pixel off. So I'm not fixing that. It's 1 space. Yeah, it's still that 1 pixel off. But that's that. So that is somewhat. Okay. And to make sure that it's easy to be removed, I'll grab those 2 base there, and those 2 the 8 line, and I'm gonna chamfer them. Do I sharpen the outer one or the inner one? No, the outer one. By 0.2. Yeah, so this is only 0.2 in terms of like width. Make that transparent. I can go to see the base. Now, so yeah, that's the box there. Hopefully I can break that away. Do we see a problem of any kind? Yes, I agree, but actually let's just export this and put it into the base. Yeah, it's always so sketchy to make one of these built-in support. Let's just put it. Ooh, what happened there? Oh, right. Alright, bring that up. Bring that down. Oh, I definitely need to put a hole in so to mount the it to this base to do the to actually mount this to the aluminum rail, aluminum extrusion. Okay, slice now. Yeah, that may not work. That may not gonna work. I'm gonna say that it just continue all the way out. Not too bad, I won't say. No? Say that? It's a cause of concern. It served the purpose, but is there not a way to make sure that that is only extrude very little amount? Actually, let me see this. Volumetric. Alright. Yeah, you can see it pulled back substantially on the flow rate there. And up there as well. This may work, but it also may not. Can we know? Also, 15 hours of printing this are going to be. Can we not make the chamfer even more 1.3? So make that basically make that interface barely visible, barely detectable by the software. Basically, I want to do that. So export that again at the base, yeah. Actually, I need to show you process selection now. Let me just see that again. Alright, so this is what's going on. So because of that, Philip, this thing will slow down substantially. It's trying to get this to down to 0.2 width, right? But obviously it's not exactly, it may not work too well. So what if I there we go. I reduced the gap to, oh wow, hello. So I reduced the gap between them down to 0.1 mil between the two, and oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, so now detect there to be a gap there instead of like just continuous line across. Yeah. Yeah, I can see it now. Yeah, let's see, yeah. That's good, that's good. Let's see if this gonna work. If this works, then I can actually use this piece. So this trail of one more thing. Back to this scan really quick because I realized for the space itself, there is some more thing that I can do. Two. 9. Oh no, 2 point. I can't remember. I don't know why it is a specific number that I need. So like here, come on, 6. Exit 2. Oh, 3, 4, 3. Yeah, 2.4. 2.4 is the max there, but I don't know why it's had to be like this. Not that interested in finding out either. It's not that big of a, but that's not a big issue. So that top one on this one aesthetically. And the software just crashed. God damn it. Okay. I lost. What did I lose? Alright, recover it. Ish. Oh, I think the only thing I lost is the how much was the transfer? So that's it on 3. Okay. That's what we was saying. Save that. Oh my god, what's this? Save that, right? Nice, we saved it. Yeah. A 2.3. Check on this. 2.398. Yeah, I'd give it just a little bit extra in case it breaks on me again. And nice to see that it didn't break anything else though. So again, with free cat, that's not how you used to be. Now I love you for whatever you are. Yes. Rid of that. Put a new base in. Oh, okay. Okay, I saw. Yeah. The thing that I missed the most from Ochre Slicer is the ability to set the bias of your of the white tower and the object. You can tell the software to just always trying to get as close to the front as possible. And I missed that feature from Ochre. Okay, I don't think it need to be 40 here. Make it 20 or 15 or something. This is 15 hours. It'll be ages to do with this. Not that I don't think it's gonna change much though. Yeah. Oh no, give me an hour back. Okay. This looks skinny now that I look at it. Where's that bridge? That bridge may not be the wisest to do. But yeah, I want to just add a little block here just to keep that. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that before we jump this very long print. Okay, so base support ones. Let's put one. Skip 0 because there's a two. Yeah, looking good. Looking fancy. Give it a random color. And of course the random color is very close to gold. Very descriptive. This ledge is a little millimeter. Why, but everything, a lot of stuff built on it, so I don't want to just leave it. Okay. Enough thinking, I just grab that surface. Because better than the plane. Hide it. Oop, better than the plane, yes, but hide it. So draw on it, cut away. of that, and what am I looking at? Oh, it's just the base. That's at the bottom. Okay, never mind. I don't actually want to put it all the way down, not across. I just need that little bit, yeah. Yeah. Actually, just make something a little bit. Extruded inverse symmetrically because I want it to go in the root as well. Get it to be 2. Mil. Is that what that look like? Okay, make it 3. 4, yeah. Yeah, I want some meat to grab on and get rid of then and yank you anything if you need it too. So skin that, make it 0.4. Yeah, and just like the other one. And I'm actually not gonna do that on top. Or should I? Oh no, actually we don't do that on top because that top, I'll bring it back in a sec. I'm just gonna do it at the bottom for now. 0.2, not 0.3. So the reason why we don't do it on the top bit. Yeah, you can see that the bridges are at a normal, with the line being extruded, so I can drift it in the along this line and it will be fine. So I don't need to try to chamfer any of these edges. I will chamfer the one at the bottom though because that's contact with this surface, which I want to rip out easily. Think about it, the support shouldn't be transparent because it's so hard to look. Alright, so export that. TPs. Yep. Save. Always save. Okay, now I'm gonna do something. So I'm trying not to have things flip around too much now. Get rid of that. For some reason why? Sort of right. Okay. Alright, so I'm check. Yeah, we got that. Okay, I'll play that one. Okay, let's say squeeze. I need to check the bottom there, yeah. Very likely applied it. I don't think my shampoo would work. But let's just keep it going, Oh, this is gonna be sketchy. Oh, that's gonna be sketchy. That's just a feature. What feature is that? Oh, okay. it did mention that it's bridging in film. So that's all right. All right. Only when we print it out we can actually tell if it work or not. Oh, anything else before we commit to this 14-hour print? Measurement. How big was those? How big is that hole? Wait, why is that 6 mil? Hello? Three 6.1. All right, yeah, because because the bolt sometime M3 bolt can come in with the head at 6.1, so I just gave it some room there. I should find mine is 5 mil because it's stainless one. Alright, so this is ACTM 2. If you can tell, that one is almost done as well. That's good. Yeah, can't believe I spent how many hours now? Oh yeah, I've been streaming for 3 hours and haven't got around to make the new part yet. Oh, everything is done. Okay, my part of the bed there, hopefully it works. What's the chances? I look at when the two head move away, I can see that the one of the part just flew off the bed. There's some institution talk, but it did not come true. Hey, bye. Oops, my bad.
wrong angle. All right, let's see how this one goes. Okay, so this should go into that hole. Tightly, but okay, that's good. That top, like that. Still a little tight, but like maybe 0.2. It was the right idea after all. Yeah, definitely make it 0.2. And definitely make it a 0.2. Clearance, I mean. Oh, right there. But I can push it in with a 0.15. Whatever. Just to do that little strand up. Alright, there we go. I'll go back and forth like so. That's it. That's it. That's it for this one. Very simple. It's a what tag that attached to it that's going to be more problematic. Well, with that I said, I mean just the circle. All right, so let's bring that down. Give us a one last final thought before we put on the 14-hour print on this one. Yeah, I can't turn up anything. I'm just gonna do it now. If it worked, then it worked. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Okay. Oh right, we need to add the. We need to deal with the Z offset. The Z offset on this last print was a bit higher than I want it to be. So I should have, yeah. All right, when it starts. So keep an eye out for when it's finished broken basically, and correct the Z offset then. Yeah, one of the things I noticed right now, looking at the piece of that I have in my hand, is that the gap that I was worrying about on the trapdoor, but in the making of to make it more what's it called, print friendly, was worrying about that the gap that I make in the circle bit gonna cause some problem. But I don't think it's going to be much of a problem.
I mean, it's very small, very small. I'm running out of M386. I'm on M38. Got him. Okay, M310 though. Should be fine. Yeah, given I want to print. So if the magnetic force, magnetic thingy gonna work. Ooh, that's a fun feature. Not magnetic, but like supposed to be the rubber band. The rubber band. I'm gonna take this door. Up quite a lot more force than I thought. This way. So that the rubber band force on this is already as tough as I can get it, because if anymore it's gonna flex the bit up like that. But even then it barely moved the needles. So all this may have been for nothing. Take this. We're gonna make the. I have to make the motion arm thicker. One. Right. Right now it's 3 mil. We need to make it 5 mil. So, okay. I guess. Thing. That hole and that is too close to each other. So the torque generated by the rubber band is transferred mostly into just flexing this piece instead of turning this bit round. Okay, I know that now, but how we deal with that? Don't exactly have a lot of room with that back here. Let the avalanche pass really quick. How do we deal with this? Say we can have moving target on that one, moving this thing around. Oh, that's not the most elegant way to do things, I don't think. Yes, I'll make the printer view a bit bigger. See what it's doing. I'm still brainstorming what I'm doing with this. Oh, we can turn this 90 degrees, can we? This angle here is there we go. Oh, you see, it's giving itself a final heating. So at the moment I hit the zoom up, there we go.
And adjust the offset.
That's my niece. Alright, I put it 0.05 lower. Just to make sure that it would stick. If something that big, it may warp. Where was I? Yes. Huh. Which one was that that I used to calculate the angle again? This one? Yeah, it is. Okay, so I'm gonna hold down. I'm gonna change it later. And these two to construction now. Make them. Get the dimension between them. Reference. Okay, it's lower than 90 degrees. That's all I need to know. Right there. It's lower than 90. So I can in fact turn the put a base down as well. Yeah, so right now the problem with it we're having is that this hole where the spring is located is terminated. It's too close to the pivoting point, so the moment of the moment is so most of the force generated by the rubber band is just transferred directly into this piece and cause it to bend more than it's turning the door. So my thinking now is to twist this about 90 degrees. So instead of trying to have the pin here, I'm gonna have to split pin. Oh, this is like this servo motor. Rather than I have the pin here, I'll have the pin over here somewhere further away from the center, and this can be over here instead, if that makes sense. So a little reorganizing there. May not gonna have too much problem, I don't think, because ultimately that's the two holes. I reckon it was this one. No? Okay. What are we looking at? Wait, where? Oh wow, that hole was drawn. Alright, I know why I do it like that. Okay. So what's happened there? Get rid of that line. I don't know what that line do. But also now, instead of directly we leave it on the side now. That's actually let's draw a construction line within it really quick because this is 5 mil. Due to the head of the bolt is being 5 mil. There is some interference there. But this can be equal 8 dimension y. This one is 3, and I don't need to put any strain tolerant number there because this is just representative of things. So I'm thinking maybe this can go here, maybe up to the side. Yeah, close that. I need to make this thing thicker as well. Oh, what's that? Why is this one broke? Hello? What did I broke? What did I broke? It's motion arm. Okay, it's a motion arm. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, motion arm. Now we need to work on this now. Yeah, because it's required that hole. Oh, don't spin out of resistance for me, please. Can I do that? No. Alright, I don't. Where are you? Yeah, this don't want to. I don't want that to be parallel. Come on. I think I did it more than I should. 28 should be stay. 32 should go. Can I spin it now? No. I need to do the actual distance between the two. Use that a little bit. Yes, sir. Why did it snap out? Why did it broke? I don't know why it broke. Oh, there we go. Invalid constraint index. The hell? Hello? Why can I move? Stop. You know what? I don't want to do it. I don't want these two to be a concern. No more. Yeah, just get rid of those two. Put it all the way down. What did that just do? Okay, let's talk about that one as well. What just happened? So to fail something. So some this is wrong. What's 25? Oh, I think I can these two. Okay. Yeah, it's just rabbit tail around like that. I don't know why. see. There's a constraint that connect these two together, so I reckon I will delete this for now. Yeah, let's delete this for now. And then brought it back. If I can. Hello. Alright, we need to IO these one. There we go. Going to reconnect this. Make this parallel again. Brought this all the way down to that point because I really are not. Oop. What did I just do? 42, 43. I don't know what just happened. Actually, I don't need this no more. Oh, because that one that is being defined, so I recognize it. Oh. Go inside there, spin it around, like so. Right, those two meet. Yeah, because there's no, you don't need to cut out the room for this anymore. So we can just have it to go all the way around. And talking about that pin, I want this to be going through there, like so. And now this line need to be 13. If anything, let's make a lock symbol. Oh, and it just need to 0.2 now because 0.1 was barely cutting it. 0.15 you mean, was barely cutting it, yeah. Oh, and one of the things that I need to do now is figure out where to put this angle. No, this is not good. This is the extreme position. No, this is not good. Get rid of that really quick. That is the extreme angle. We need to figure out what is the right. How do we do that? How do we do this? So where this corresponding is with where that is right now. Right, no. Okay. I think we have to go out really quick. Close that. Go back to the base sketch there because I did draw it here. I did draw it here. In one of this one. Just one was it? No. Okay, that one. Yeah, that's the one I'm looking for. 85.3. 85.3. Let's roll that down before I forget that. Okay. Close that. Go back to the sketch of the servo arm, moment motion arm. Still no. No, I don't want you to connect there. I want you to connect there. And rather than trying to have that one there, so this should be 13. So, yay. This is the dimension 85.3. Like that. Yeah. Now I want to draw 3 lines. One like that, one line that, one line that. These two are equivalent. And just to block it down, make it go right there. Make it go through this one. There like so. Alright, good to see. Oh, see? Someone just text me Discord. What does they say? May have to come back to him later. What? To resist. Oh, someone just asked me some stuff about 3-1, so let me go. Let us go there. Let's see right now. It's saying it's adjusting. Let me load up that one. Check this. Calibration Pro. Gone. Oh, there it is. Oh, by the way, Alright, let's measure some stuff right now. Good. What's the length? Which length? What? Very simple portion of bottom piece measured to 10.2. Middle section top measure. I don't get it. Oh, my boy had his nozzle is way off. Okay, here we go. Better now chat, I need to respond to this message. Alright. I'm good. I have to load that up and change it. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to update that. Let me check on the print. Unfortunately, it's still slightly too high, but I should be good for now. Still. That. Yep, that is me. And because this one is based on the trapdoor, we need to change the trapdoor to make this one thicker. Hide the base now. Don't want to hide the base now. Put the trapdoor out again. And which one is it? This one? Yep, just. Oh no, I don't want to sketch. I want to change the extrude option. So add a 2 more mil. And we'll just cut down. No, once again. The cut. Add 2 more mil. Like that. Yep. So. So this should be 5 mil now, right? The thing that we want to change now is the placement of the servo motor. So if we put this down like so. There's about it. That might be too close. Might be. I think we're still in the clear. I think it's still in the clear. So I'm just gonna leave it for now, but we might want to raise it just a tad. And we can just, because this is the assembly that enable this this object here. This assembly, the assembly that enabled this object here is bunkered now. So to change this, we have to just increase the padding down here, or remove it, which should be easy and not gonna take that much effort. It's just gonna look a little scuff on the drawing here. Alright. Well, this story for another day. Can we now go back to designing the funnel? Hold on. Here we go. Wait. How are we designing the funnel? Actually, I haven't thought of that yet. That won't be too hard, I don't think. Okay. What time is it? It's oh, it's nearly 8. Alright, I think that's a good time for me to stop. So what have we done today? Oh, it's just, oh wow, I was joking around with revisiting the model, but that apparently the title for the day was correct. This whole day, today was entirely just go back trying to fix stuff on the old models. Anyway, for tomorrow, the one thing that I definitely need to do is to create the funnel bit here for the carpet basket. Yeah, that won't be too long. I hope. And yeah, for the 42 people who checked by, thank you for checking by. Once again, I maintain my opinion in the introduction of the V1 release that this stream is pretty boring. For those who actually stick around, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.